Hi, I'm Fisher How-To Guide. I'm going to show you a very simple way to hanging up your 7-piece towel holder for a bathroom, a place that you need to put some stuff. We already put one on and I did not tighten up with the second screw at the moment. I'm going to do another one right here. I'm going to pick a spot on the wall the best I can and I'm going to lock it in. Now, I made a mistake and didn't do it on purpose, and I can't get this on correctly, so what I can do is I can adjust the angle. I could get this on. I could get the way I want this to look, and it looks pretty level, and then I can lock these down with screws. Once I put my screws in, then I take my Allen key with the hex bolts, and I lock them in, and I got my parts on. Please don't lose these hex bolts because they are very difficult to find and place in if you drop them. You're given this particular paper towel or toilet holder that you pull off, and you simply find a spot on the wall so you could align it, and then take the screws that are given and lock it down. Now there's a little trick. After you screw this in, you take the screws out, you put the screws back in, you have this little cap and this little black cover. So that way it takes care of the cosmetics and not having the screw. That is the proper way of doing that. Demonstrations, you have your towel holder, a toilet paper tree holder, and 2 small towel holders that you could put anywhere imaginable. Decorate your bathroom whatever color you like. Check online for further detail about this product. This product is very neat, very elegant, and will do a nice job dressing up your bathroom area. I hope you enjoy your bathroom and this short how-to of just simply hanging some things up. Enjoy your product for your bathroom.